What are you looking to take away from class?
Excited to learn more.
So that's great to have you.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Well, what a great way to start the day. I hope everyone has their coffee with them. This is going to be fun and exciting. We're going to talk about, attribution and measurement.
You learn from those experiments that don't work. Because you have to do the post-mortem. You have to understand why it didn't work. How can you iterate off it? Should you iterate off it? Or should you just move away? So it's like, I feel like failing is extremely valuable for people and companies to kind of understand and grow.
Well, you're going to be your expert and you need to connect the two to try to figure out how to connect your material to your audience to get them on board and help influence them, help to sell through whatever it is that you're trying to work on. So know your audience, know your stuff, and connect the two. Be an expert, but remember, not everyone is an expert. And so again, back to that first point, you need to help others articulate your information if you're not going to be presenting it.
How do we move the needle on the revenue side? And what's that look like? With our CFO, if we want to run a CRO test, we have to create a business case, right? That's his language. He wants to understand the financial impact of every change, every dollar that's being reallocated. And so being able to do that in a thoughtful way, like I was saying, where you start speaking his language when you're talking about contribution margin versus just marketing ROAS is going to be the best way to really get them on your side and also keep you accountable, right? You're saying you're going to generate $8 million in incremental revenue, you need to come close to that.
Fight the good fight.
Fighting the good fight, and sometimes just panic.
I love the energy in the class. It was fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Madan.
Thanks,
Bye.
Madan.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.